Hi, I'm Victoria Goldsberry, and today I want to share how to prepare for the tax season without unnecessary stress. Every year here in the States we file taxes. Deadline April 15. Most of the tax documents you need arrive automatically, and you can look at your last year tax return and see which documents you had last year. Then you can think about if anything changed for this year. You might get married, you maybe bought a house, or you maybe sold the house, you moved from one state to another. If anything changed for this year, think about your last year tax return as your roadmap. Let's talk at some core forms you will have. Approximately 35% of all taxpayers file simple Form 1040. Think about, you have one job and you have W-2, your employer will provide you that by January 31st. If you have multiple jobs, each employer has to provide you with W-2 form. Also, if you independent contractor, freelancer, you will receive Form 1099 NSC or 1099 miscellaneous. If you earn interest from a bank account, you should receive Form 1099 interest. And if you have investment and receive dividends, then you need to report and file Form 1099 dividends. All these forms arrive by the end of January or mid-February. If you are self-employed, documentation is especially important. And keep all your receipts, bank statements, keep track of your mileage, expenses for software, marketing, professional fees. I have attached a simple list of documents to bring to your CPA to file taxes. Of course, it's not the complete checklist. Everybody's situation is a little bit different. If you have questions or need my help to organize your numbers, you're welcome to reach out to me. My contact details in a video description. Best wishes for a smooth tax filing process.